Rudebwoy non-player, welcome again. Yeah, one of the things we want to touch base on is an article I read about the other day in regards to how much investment from overseas is sent back to Jamaica yearly, which is about 321 million in direct investment from foreigners from overseas. Then I read something in regards to how much money Jamaican citizens outside of Jamaica send back to their friends and family, which is about 4.1 billion. And I said to myself, how is it Jamaica can send approximately probably 6 or more times the amount of direct foreign investment, but the foreigners are owning everything and the Jamaicans are not? When I came to realize there's something called consumption and production. The foreigners are sending their money strictly for production for the most part, and Jamaicans for the most part are sending their money back for consumption, with buying stuff for their family, food, paying for school fees, building houses and extra, which all these things are necessary. But what if we was to take a certain percentage out of that 4.1 billion and put it in something? Like anytime we send them, we say, all right, if I send $100, we're gonna take say $5 out of the $100 and put it towards some serious investment. So we can't end up owning some of the things here, because the major industries here we don't own. It's foreigners that own them. And I know people have an issue with, oh, so you can't thief the money. No, you have technology right now that can ensure that that no one steals the money. I'm not sure if everybody's familiar with DAO, which is actually an offshoot of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology allow many things to happen. One of the things that they allow to happen is to be able to create a savings and or donate what you control, what you donate or save. At the end of the year, if the group decides that everyone lived up to what they said they're going to do, they push the button and money's released. Nothing happens until then. You understand? So the excuse of somebody stealing the money, that's been taken away with the DAO and other new forms of saving online, etc. I'm just don't want to put it out there, because we're losing, We're losing. We're building big fancy houses and then things, but if we don't control our country, which you cannot control your country unless you control the economy, what good is this? These very same people can make laws and run us off our property if they want. Yeah, man. So I hope this touch on nerves and inspire someone.